In fact, we are in this very interesting stage in the industry where, the line between the supporting actor and the lead actor is kind of blurring. In fact, I was just talking to Aditya that day, and I said, after Ashiki, will you only do lead roles? He's like, maybe not. If I get a great supporting role, I might do that. What about you, Ranveer? Would you?
It's tricky. Adi saying that, it comes from a place which is really brave.
Right.
But the place that I guess I'm in right now, I'm getting the opportunities to do lead roles, to work with interesting directors, interesting filmmakers. So I will probably take on that more than a supporting role. But maybe at some point in my life, there'll be a phase when, something's been offered to me, which has an interesting character. Like a DiCaprio does Django Unchained.
Absolutely.
Jude Law does so many supporting parts.
Yeah.
So it depends, it depends who's making a film, what part is offered to you, at what phase in your life. So it all depends.
Yeah. What about you, Deepika?
No, I completely agree. I don't think, I've never really said, no, I'm not going to do a certain type of film or a certain type of role. But I think I'm going to be selfish and say that I think everybody wants to be, the lead. And I think today when I have that opportunity, why should I not exploit it? Why should I not make the most of it? Because like I said, like we were discussing earlier, I have that today. And so I'm going to make the most of that. But having said that, there's no hard and fast rule. Tomorrow if I come across a script where I think that part is... is a lot more exciting as a performer, as I would definitely do it.
But having said that, actually, her second film, after Om Shanti Om, she was this huge star.
Bachna
Hasina, she had actually the smallest part of the three girls, and she could have taken any part. She was Imtiaz Ali's heroine. She was launched by Shah Rukh Khan, but she took a character. She took a part which was a part of an ensemble cast, which wasn't even Manisha and Bipasha had longer roles than her. So it all depends. It all depends what you like, what script you connect with, the character you connect with.